This is ATC's introduction into their new fifth wheel line. Very lightweight, 1/3 the weight of their competitors, very, very durable. It's a great trailer, you should take a look. Nice thing about ATC trailers inside is they're modular. They're very, very easy to clean, and also they're 3-generation trailers, so you can enjoy this and soak in your kids if they so desire to stay into the sport. Also the cabinets, the ergonomics of the cabinets, they're built very strong. The easiest thing about this is when you want to clean it, you just tip it up and wash everything out the back door. Very convenient to use. One of the nice features about ATC is the size of the bathroom. It has a large bathroom. You can change clothes and actually have area to move around inside in. Nice thing about ATC bedrooms, they're very roomy. Has a queen size bed with a tremendous amount of extra storage underneath the bed. And also it has a convenient washer and dryer location.